Welcome to 96 Jewelry. Established in 2008 with over 16 years of manufacturing experience, we turn simple concepts into stunning custom cufflinks. Let's explore our process. It all starts with a precise 3D design, ready for production. Our master craftsmen begin by programming advanced CNC machines to carve the initial molds with incredible precision. Next, a DM spark erosion refines the intricate details, ensuring every curve matches your custom design. Wire cutting technology is then used to accurately shape the mold component. The finished mold is carefully polished and measured against the original blueprints. Perfection is our only standard. With the mold ready, it's time to select our raw materials. Every batch we use is SGS certified. That means it's been independently tested and verified for quality and safety. We also make sure everything complies with REACH in California Prop 65 standards. Now comes the stamping process. Massive pressure is applied, transferring the design from the mold onto the metal. This is the moment the cufflinks really start to take shape. Excess material or flash is expertly trimmed away, leaving a clean, well-defined silhouette. The pieces then undergo their first round of polishing, smoothing out rough edges and preparing the surface. Next, the back closures are securely welded to the main body, ensuring durability for years to come. Our artisans change polishing wheels for a secondary mirror finish polish. This meticulous step gives the jewelry its signature brilliant shine. The polished pieces are carefully racked and go through a thorough ultrasonic cleaning process. Before electroplating, every piece goes through a rigorous quality inspection. Our facility is SEDEX and SMETA audited, so you can be confident in both the quality and the ethics behind every piece. At 96 Jewelry, our global certifications and industry expertise guarantee a masterpiece every time. Visit 96jewelry.com today.